Here's an example of number 19. It says a taxi fare y can be determined by the equation y equals 0.50x plus 3.50, where x is the number of miles traveled. Graph the equation and find the total it costs if the taxi traveled 5 miles. So not only do you have one thing where you need to graph the equation, you also have to find the total when it travels 5 miles. So to begin graphing, I always identify my slope and my y-intercept. So I know my y-intercept is the constant, it's the number that stands alone. It's a positive 350, which can also be written as 3.5. And then our slope is going to be the one multiplied with x. And in this case, it's 0.50, or I could write it as 0.50. Or one thing that's really, really going to help is if you know off the top of your head that 0.50 is also equivalent to 1/2. And the reason that makes it easier is because now I have rise and now I have run. So I'm going to start by graphing my y-intercept, which is 3.5. So we're in between 3 and 4. I need to go up 1 over 2. Up 1 over 2. Up 1 over 2. And from there we would draw a nice line, as nice as you can get. And then, so I did the first part of that. I have graphed it. Awesome. Now the second part is to find the total cost if the taxi traveled 5 miles. So since this represents my miles down here, I come to 5 and I follow it up. And that 5 miles is equal to 6. That represents $6. So to explain this in our words, we could say that if the taxi travels 5 miles, it will cost $6. Because this is our money on our y-axis.